back to another episode. In today's video, I'll be trying out the Saviland Glitter Polygel Nail Kit. Now this kit is available on Amazon. Well, this kit was available on Amazon at $25.99. Now it doesn't look like it's available. So the colors can still be purchased separately with other kits, but just not together as one kit. The current price for a kit is $22.99 with the tools and $18.99 without the tools. The kit comes with 3 polygels, a double-ended brush, nail forms, a filer, and slip solution. Fortunately for this video, I will only be focusing on the polygels, and those gels will be in a 30 milliliter tube, and the kit includes a diamond silver polygel, straight feel polygel, and diamond pink polygel. So again, I'll be swatching all 3 of the gels and offering my thoughts at the end of the video. If you want to see what I think about this set, then stick around and keep watching the rest of this video. I love working with these glitter polygels. Believe it or not, it is hard to find a 30 milliliter glitter polygel on Amazon. Now Model 1s have a beautiful glitter polygel set, but I believe it's only available on their website, and personally, I just wasn't interested in waiting more than 2 days for shipping, so I passed it up. Now, these polygels are clear, the glitter is strategically placed, and I definitely think it's worth the money. My only gripe is that the price is lowered a month later, and the slip solution is just not enough for all 3 tubes. On the flip side, these gels are easy to work with, and on the scale of stiff to sticky, I would give it a perfect 5 on that spectrum. This is pretty much the only glitter polygel available at a 30 milliliter on Amazon, so I would definitely recommend this brand and product. Now, if you all like this video, don't forget to press that thumbs up button, and if you are watching this video and you're not subscribed, I'm going to tell you again, please press that subscribe button. Now, I hope to see you all in my next video. Bye.